All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about what you need to look for when you're trying to find some deer. Everybody says they can't find deer, they don't know where the deer are at, but you got to get out there, put some boots on the ground and find them deer. Right now it is hot out here, sun, and I mean hot. We haven't had a good rain for weeks now, and we're up in this creek bed. I know this creek bed drains to a pond down there, so it's a good water source for them. Now we're trying to find some food source, find their game trails, see where they're moving at, and we also got some minerals to dump out for them to get some more extra calcium in their system. So we're gonna head up creek, see if we can't find a nice little spring or a water source or anything like that, because the creek's still pretty wet, but there's no water in it. So let's roll. All right, y'all, so we're just following this game trail along this semi-dry creek bed. This right here is some hogs rolling around in the mud. And they've come out here and they're scratching their back, you know, something I like to do every once in a while. So we're gonna keep pushing up. We're not sure if we're gonna be up here, down there, if the deer are up here or down there. But right behind us is an amazing bedding area for deer. And that's gonna play a part in early season and late season hunting. So we came up creek a little bit, and right in here we have the main creek, and we got a side little channel. Probably doesn't hold a lot of water except during rainy season, but it gives that great path for the deer to follow. You set up right here, it's like an intersection. More likely you're gonna see something sooner than later. We went up creek, dry as a bone. I was really hoping for a spring because this stuff right here is pretty wet. And I was like, hopefully there's a spring somewhere, but you know, there's not. So we head back down towards the pond. Obviously the pond has water in it. I was trying to find some secluded water for them. Didn't work out. We're gonna head back down there. I know we got a double tree stand up there, down there somewhere. I'm not too worried about that though. I'm just gonna dump minerals where it looks good. And we have sign. We got like 20 minutes of shooting light left. So we're gonna try to hunt as we do this. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're back in the truck. As you see, it is dark outside, but we got the mineral site up. As y'all can see by this trail camera picture right here, we have our mineral site right in this general area, and then we got a trail that comes through right in here, and that's going straight to a water source that they are regularly using. So now that we got that set up, hopefully we get some good trail camera pictures, some big bucks coming through, or at least pigs or just deer. Anything, I would be happy, except for other hunters. But that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hunt the sign and not what you think looks good. Y'all have a good one.